Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulua TV Tech. Today we are going to see how to get our video files that we have saved or exported from CapCut, and by mistake we didn't see or open the file location while the editing got done. So if you have saved a video from your CapCut, you have exported it and you don't know where the video has gone, this solution is for you. So you come to your local disk or local disk C or drive C, you open it. From there you go to users. From users you come to the computer name. My computer name is Lulua TV. Yours might be different, but here it is the second option. You open it. From there you come to app data. From app data you come to local, which is the first one. And then you come to CapCut, so you can open videos, and here are all the projects that you have been saving from CapCut. So the video that I finished editing, as you can see here, not this, as you can see here, it is this video. So it is this second last video. When you open the folder, it will show you the project that you just saved, and you can simply cut it from here and you take it to the place where you want it to be. So for me, I want mine to come here to my projects, so I'll simply paste it here, and that is really it. That is how you can easily get your file that you exported from CapCut. In case you forget where you have saved it, that is the procedure. So if you found this video useful, please make sure you subscribe to Lulua TV Tech, and see you in the next one. Thank you.